This wonderful 2005 Dodge Ram 1500 comes equipped with a responsive 5.7-liter 8-cylinder 16-valve engine, a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission, and has rear-wheel drive. This 4-door crew cab truck has comfortable seats, 85,890 miles, and its electronic features include a 4-speaker in-cabin sound system. For the safety of you and your passengers, this vehicle has 4 ventilated disc brakes, both driver and passenger side front airbags with integrated multi-stage deployment system and complex surface lens, halogen bulb headlights. Call or come in today to schedule a test drive.